Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you ever run into the derated DNS proof finish annex domain error while browsing, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you simple steps to fix it so you can get back online quickly. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, let's quickly talk about what is the error means. The error occurs when your browser can't find the IP address of the website you are trying to visit. Basically, your DNS is having trouble, but don't worry, it's easy to fix. Step 2. So restart your router. Sometimes simply rebooting it can refresh your connection to DNS server. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds and plug it back in. Give it a minute to restart, then try to loading website again. Step 3. Clear your browser cache. If restarting the router did not work, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Your browser might be storing outdated information, which could be causing the error. In Chrome, just go to the three-dot menu and click More Tools. And then Clean Browser Data. Choose the time and range and make sure Clean Cache Image and File. Step 4. Flush DNS Cache. Now let's go into some more tricky steps. We can try to flushing your DNS cache. On Windows, open command prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns. On Mac, open terminal and type sudo kill all supm DNS responder. After running this, your DNS cache will be refreshed, which can solve the problem. Step 5. Change DNS server settings. If you are still seeing the error, it might be time to change your DNS server settings. By default, your device uses the DNS server provided by your ISP. Sometimes it's better to use public DNS like Google's or Cloudflare. So go to your network setting. Choose your connection and click Properties or Advanced. Enter one of the public DNS addresses. So Google and hit the save and try to load your website again. Step 6. Disable VPN or security software. If you are using a VPN or certain security software, it could be interfering with your DNS. Try to temporarily disabling your VPN or antivirus and see if that fixes the problems. Step 7. On Windows, open command prompt as an administrator and type 3 commands one by one. Net sh win/reset. After running this, restart your computer and check if the error is gone. Let me know in the comment which method worked for you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech fix. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.